As you will read, alarm is considered a healthy part of any child. As they're developing their prefrontal cortex, they will be able to analyze situations and understand when to exercise caution. It is when the alarm system is not functioning and the caution system is not functioning that we need to develop intervention strategies. Healthy children display traits of conscientious carefulness, concern. They're cautious, and these are all things that we are looking for in our children. As educators, you can identify the ways that we alarm students and take them to the next level when we consistently raise our voice, provide warnings, ultimatums, and we feign separation. I want you to focus on the concept of separation because this is something we will explore more later on in the presentation.